press the bell icon on the YouTube app and never miss another update.
Hello children, welcome back to the English class. In the previous class I was completed 3 paragraphs of this lesson, that is Neerja Bhanot, brave in life, brave in death, right? She was born on September 7, 1963, died on September 5, 1986, right? Rama Bhanot and Harish Bhanot were her parents, and she joined Pan Am Airline in 1986. She was a senior flight purser on the ill-fated Pan Am Flight 73, right? So, in this flight, terrorists hijacked this plane, right? Okay. So, after it landed in Karachi, exact 5 a.m. So, let's what we see while she come to know about a terrorist hijacked the plane. What she did, she alert and she informed all members of the aircraft, right? She alert and she alerted the cockpit crew about the hijack, and plane was on that time 3 members, that is cockpit crew of pilot, co-pilot and flight engineer were able to flee. See what happened next, dear children? So all responsibility, now she is the most senior on that plane. She was the most senior on that plane. So all responsibility on her shoulder now, right? Let's see what happened here, children. You have to open the 118 page, 119. See, look at the paragraph. The hijackers immediately shoot dead a passenger who identified himself to the terrorist as an American. The terrorists wanted to identify the Americans, so they instructed Neerja to collect the passports of all the passengers. Neerja and the other attendants under her charge hid the passports of the 4 Americans on board. What the terrorists want, dear children? They want the identity of Americans who identify themselves they are the Americans. For them they used to shoot. Understanding? So here hijackers immediately shoot dead a passenger who identify himself to the Americans. For them, to whom? For Americans who are living in America. For them we used to call as American. We are living in India, we are Indians. Understanding? We are Indians. Here, so who identify himself to the terrorist as an American? For them they used to shoot immediately. Who? Terrorist. Understanding? The terrorists wanted to identify the Americans. So many passengers are there. Understand? Many passengers are there. So that's why what they want to identify the Americans. They want to. So for that sake, so they instructed Neerja to collect the passport. They instruct the Neerja. It means they told Neerja to collect the passports of all passengers. Passports of all passengers. Why they want to collect the passports, dear children? Because they want to identify the Americans. Understanding? They want to identify the Americans. That's why they inform Neerja. They instruct Neerja to collect all passports of the passengers. Understanding? So here Neerja and the other attendant. So other attendant also there, and Neerja, what she did, she collect all passports of the passengers. She immediately what she did, dear children? She hide one. She hide all the passports of the passengers. Hide means bachchidodu. Understanding? So Neerja and the other attendants under her charge hide the passports of 40 Americans. 40 Americans passports, she hid that. Understanding? On board. So next what is see? After 17 hours. After 17 hours. After 17 hours, the hijackers opened fire and set off explosive. They used to shoot. They used to explosive. Here, let's see. Set off means moon to act, put in motion. You have to look at the glossary words also given here, dear children. You have to go through this. Explosive means a substance used in bomb that explodes. Understanding? So, here, after 17, they wait till 17 hours. After 17 hours, the hijacker opened the fire and set off explosive. Neerja opened the emergency door and helped a number of passengers to escape. What she did is a very brave woman. Very brave woman. What she did? She opened the emergency door. She opened the emergency door and she helped a number of passengers to escape. She helped the number of passengers to escape. Tappisikollodu. Understanding? She helped the passengers to escape. She opened the emergency door on that time. She did not herself escape. Really, it is true. She did not herself escape. Why she did not herself escape, dear children? Because she want to save the life of the passengers. Understanding? She want to save the passenger's life. That's why she did not escape. She helped the passengers to escape, to open the emergency door. She died while shielding 3 children from a hail of blood. So on that time, terrorists they want to shoot the 3 children. And that time, while she saving the 3 children, at that time she died. She died. Who? Neerja Bhanot. See? On that time, she want to save the 3 children. She died while shielding 3 children from a hail of bullet. Shielding means while she want to protect from a danger. She want to protect 3 children from a danger. On that time, she died. Hail of bullet means that is collection of bullet. Understanding? So on that time, she died. Neerja was recognized internationally as the heroine of hijack. Yes, it is true. Not only in India, she identified as internationally as the heroine of hijack. Heroine of hijack. She is the youngest recipient of the Ashoka Chakra. Yes, this is true. She is the youngest recipient of Ashoka Chakra. Ashoka Chakra. Recipient means receive something. It means she received award Ashoka Chakra in very young age. Understanding? So, and she also recognized not only in India, internationally she recognized as the heroine of the hijack. She is the youngest recipient of Ashoka Chakra, India's highest civilian award for bravery. For this award used to give for bravery. This is a bravery award. Bravery award, dear children. Bravery award. Understanding? So, last, Ashoka Chakra citation. Her loyalties to the passengers of the aircraft in distress will forever be a lasting tribute to the finest quality of the human spirit. Yes. What a quotation, dear children. Her loyalty of the passengers, loyalty, kindness, sympathy towards the passenger while she saved the number of passengers, and while she saved the 3 children from hail of bullet. On that time, it is very loyalty, kind. She showed and brave also. Loyalties of the passengers of the aircraft in distress. It is distress means sorrow, pain. Will forever be lasting. It is forever. It remain every heart forever. Understanding? For lasting tribute to the finest quality of human spirit. Yes, this is the finest quality of human spirit. Spirit means Chaitana. So seeing her, all should have learned this. A brave, kind, good-hearted, loyalty, all this we should have learned to see her life. Yes, it is true. Brave in life, brave in death. Who is, dear children? Neerja Bhanot. Neerja Bhanot. So, glossary words also given here, dear children. Look at see. See the words. Hail of bullet means collection of bullet. Distress means anxiety, sorrow, pain. Lasting, permanent. Tribute, an act that show gratitude, respect or admiration. Citation, an official document in price of some brave act. Right? Okay. Let's see question and answers. Initially questions is given here in the page number 117. Look at who were Neerja's parents? Rama Bhanot and Harish Bhanot. Right? Okay. When did she join Pan Am Airline, dear children? She joined Pan Am Airline in 1986. Right? Okay. Who escaped the aircraft? Why? The pilot, co-pilot and the flight engineer escaped because Neerja alerted them about the hijack. Okay. So that's why they escaped. How did Neerja die? So see, you have to open page number 118. You can find this answer. She died while saving passengers from terrorists. She was shot while shielding 3 children from a hail of bullets. Right? Okay. Next question. Where does Neerja belong to? Neerja, she was born in Chandigarh, so she belongs to our country. Our country, which is our country, dear children? India. Right? India is our country. Why was the flight described as ill-fated? Because the flight was hijacked by 4 heavily armed terrorists. That's why it is described as the ill-fated. Name the highest civilian award for bravery given by the Indian government, that is Ashoka Chakra. Right? Ashoka Chakra. Name the flight that was hijacked when and where did this happen? The hijacked flight was Pan Am Airline Flight 73 on September 5, 1986. This flight was hijacked by 4 heavily armed terrorists after it landed in Karachi at 5 a.m. from Mumbai. Who did the terrorists shoot first? They shoot as a passenger who identify himself to the terrorist as an American, as being an American. What did the pilot, co-pilot and flight engineer do when they heard about the hijack? Do you think they are right in doing so? So they were able to flee from the aircraft, but Neerja took the charge. In my opinion, they should not have run out. They should not have run out, because as they are working in that flight means this is a responsibility to save the passenger of that flight. They have the responsibility. So what they did, it is too wrong. Yes. Did Neerja hide the passports of American? Why? Why not? Yes. Neerja was successfully in hiding the passports of Americans. Right? When saw them shooting a passengers who identify himself to the terrorist as being an American, she understood that the terrorist wanted to identify the Americans. That way she collect the passports of all passengers and she hide that. Nearly 40 passports she hides, right? Okay. Why is Neerja called the heroine of the hijack? She called heroine of hijack because Neerja opened the emergency door and she helped the number of passengers to escape, right? And also she died while saving 3 children from hail of bullet, right, dear children? Okay. What is our ambition in our life? Do you want to become an air hostess or a pilot or a flight engineer? So what is your ambition, dear children? So you have to discuss this question with your parents or your siblings. Okay. So here in the page 120, arrange the following sentence in an order to make the meaningful paragraph. So here sentences are jumbled. Jumbled sentences are given here. What we have to do? We have to arrange a meaningful sentence and we have to make a paragraph. So go through the textbook, dear children. Read once or twice this lesson. You have to definitely come to know the which sentence will come first. You have to arrange the sentence correct form and you have to make the meaningful paragraph, right? Okay. Which of the following statements are true about Neerja? Which of the following is true? Neerja was the senior most cabin crew on the aircraft. So it is true. Right. Neerja escaped from the flight when the terrorists opened fire. No, it's wrong. She didn't escape at all. She showed the passports of all the passengers to the hijackers. No, she hid it. It's wrong. She received the Ashoka Chakra award for her act of bravery from the civilian aviation ministry. No, it is wrong. Okay. Page number 121. Write a short paragraph in your own words about Neerja. So, this is your work, dear children. You have to write a short paragraph about Neerja Bhanot. Which of the following words are related to airports, flight, or circle them? So, you have to circle it, dear children. Crew, circle, driver, no, runaway, yes, circle it. Then kidnap, no, check-in, yes, circle, pilot, circle, air hostess, circle, cabin, circle, cockpit, circle, overtake, no, hijack, circle, traffic police, no, deport, no, emergency door, yes, circle. Okay. So here find the other form of the following word from the lesson and write them in the box. G1, G first is given here, present tense and past tense. Okay, present tense and past tense given here, dear children. Look at present tense and past tense. Die, hijack, join, land, go, take, shoot. Okay, die past tense, died, died, hijack, hijacked, join, joined, okay, land, landed, go, went, take, took, shoot. Okay, another one is, was. Understanding? So, next box is given to you, G2. Think for a few more words as above and write their past tense forms. You can refer a dictionary. So, look at dictionary, dear children. You have to refer dictionary and you have to write the present tense and past tense. Both columns you have to fill this. Like come, came, go, went, save, saved, right? Receive, received, kill, killed. Like that you have to write this. Okay. Page number 122. Some words are missing in the following sentences. Add those words and complete the sentences. One word is missing in each sentence. So, one word is missing in each sentence, dear children. You have to write. Neerja Bhanot, a brave woman. Neerja Bhanot was a brave woman. Was is missing here. Okay, I am writing here. Which word is missing in that sentence? I am writing that word. You have to identify that word and you have to write the correct sentence. Okay. So, Neerja Bhanot born in Chandigarh. Neerja Bhanot born in Chandigarh. So here Neerja Bhanot was born in Chandigarh. Was born in Chandigarh. Okay. Rama Bhanot and Harish Bhanot, her parents. Rama Bhanot and Harish Bhanot were her parents. Okay. Third one. She, the senior most cabin crew member. She was the. Okay. The hijackers were Palestine. The hijackers were Palestinians. Okay. Next. Neerja, the passports of the American passenger. Neerja Neerja hide the. She not escape. She did not escape. She did not escape. She was youngest recipient of Ashoka Chakra. She was the youngest. She was the youngest. Okay. So you have to write the meaningful sentence in your notes. Okay. So last circle is given here. Make the sentences using the words from the box. An example has been given. One example is given to you, dear children. You have to look at the words. You have to make your own sentence. For example, have is given here. Have. Example is given here. I have visited Hyderabad. Okay. Like that. Take a like sister, parents. I love parents. Like that. I speak many languages fluently. Hindi is a national language. You have to take a words under that circle. You have to make your own sentence. Okay. So this whole lesson completed, dear children. Neerja Bhanot. I think you understood better. So in the next class, I will come with you taking a new topic. Until that, take care. Thank you.